That's not how it works.
But okay, so let me interject right here. Okay, the way it works is this, so that way everybody can. If me and you, for example, if I'm hanging out with you that much, first of all, let's pay very close attention to what I'm gonna say to you. Me and you have never discussed relationship.
Very good.
So I'm not beating up on nobody. I'm not taking no sides with them. I'm not taking no sides with y'all. But we never discussed relationship. You like my company, I like your company. So I'm good. That's what he was saying. I'm good. Now, when we talk about, do you want to take it a step further? Now, you should be pissed off because I'm taking up your time. But if I never said anything, you never said anything to me, it never crossed the border, the wall, or anything, then we good. That's just it. We're good. So we're not beating up on the women. What we're trying to make sure that women understand about us as well as we understand about y'all is the fact that you interpret things differently than we do.
If nobody's saying that there's a relationship, then there really is no relationship because it's not anything that you're really talking about. We have a friendly relationship and we spend time together. But I think somebody has always got to be the one to bring it to the table. Somebody's always got to be the one to bring it up. Somebody's always got to be the one to say, where's this relationship going? And the other person should feel.
Hold on.
And it is a relationship.
Yeah. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Right.
So we all have to be willing to ask. If it's an intimate relationship, then you have to be willing to ask, and you have to also be willing to hear what the person has to say. Because if he says, well, no, that's not really where I'm trying to go with this, then you have to be the one, which is what he just said, you have to be the one to step back and say, okay, well, all right. I had fun.
Right.
Right here next to you. Let me hear what she got to say.
I just feel like it's some women, not many, but most women, when you cross that border into intimacy, it's kind of like reaching that step of a relationship. I've been with plenty of dudes where most of my dudes were best friends. Growing up, that's who I hung with. So I can go out with a guy for 6 months and we just go to the movies every night and it's nothing. That's the type of person I am. But once I reach that level where you kiss me or we're like, usually when you go there, it crosses over because you know that you're feeling an affection, a love different to that person other than a friend. You're not going to kiss a friend. Or really, most people aren't that way. Most women aren't that way. Most women, when you have sex or you go to the next level, it turns into something else. It's not just we're kicking it, we're friends.
Right, okay.